Thank you for renting a home with OnQ Property Management. While we work hard to keep all of our properties in the best condition, maintenance issues do come up from time to time. In this video, we will walk you through the steps for submitting a maintenance request. Please note all maintenance requests must be submitted online at the OnQ website. Our online system ensures that your request is submitted immediately, improves accuracy, and helps track the process of your request. Our goal is to have the maintenance process be as smooth and timely as possible, so it's critical that we have all documented records of all issues. To report a maintenance issue, simply go to help.onqpm.com. Once there, you'll click on the Maintenance Request button. Under the Submit Maintenance section, enter your email address and click the Continue button to open the work order form. The email address you use should be the email you provided to OnQ with your rental agreement. Your email will be used to quickly validate your maintenance request with the property you are renting. If you receive an error while attempting to input your email, then you may need to try another email address associated with your lease agreement, or contact your property manager to update your preferred email address. Fill out the form with as much detail as possible and provide pictures of the reported issue. The more information we have at this stage, the quicker we'll be able to address your maintenance concerns. If you have multiple maintenance issues to address, it is best to list them on the same form by numbering each item and attaching multiple pictures that show all areas of concern. Having pictures is essential to help our staff and vendors troubleshoot, dispatch, and ultimately resolve the issue you are experiencing. Without detailed information and pictures, our staff may not fully understand the problem, and our maintenance technicians may not come prepared with the proper tools and/or parts they need to resolve the issue. Once you have completely filled out the work order form and provided pictures, you can hit Submit. Your maintenance request will then instantly enter our system and be addressed as soon as possible by a member of our team. There are certain issues that are considered maintenance emergencies. While we still require you to submit a work order form online, a phone call to our office may also be necessary. Maintenance emergencies are a total loss of functionality from the air conditioning unit, flooding, severe plumbing or sewer issues, and dangerous electrical-related problems. In these situations, a call to our maintenance emergency line is warranted. If a situation at the property is posing an immediate risk to you or other occupants, you should call 911. A few examples of these types of issues include fires, gas leaks, and break-ins. Before you submit your maintenance request, be sure to look through our repair tips listed on the maintenance request page. Sometimes there's a simple fix to maintenance issues that can save you time or unnecessary costs that the tenant may be responsible for.